Hey girls, so I am going to try to do some passion twists today. I'm going to depend on YouTube University like everyone else to see if I'm able to pull off this style, especially for somebody who's never done hair. I don't know how to braid really. And so yeah, we're just gonna see if this method is really doable for beginners. So yeah. So you're gonna need some type of gel. I got Jam here straight from Walmart. Also am using Water Wave 18-inch pre-stretched hair. Just got this from the beauty supply and I have 2 bags of it. I don't really know if 2 bags is really enough. It probably might not be, so I might end up having to make another run to the beauty supply store, so we're gonna see about that. A rat tail comb, which I've been calling this rat tooth for all of my life up until today. And a brush. I'm just using a brush because, you know, probably make it a little bit more crispier. Some rubber bands. This is what the hair looks like. I did not purchase the hair that has the loop already in it. I honestly didn't even recognize that there was a difference, but anyways, so I've already pre-parted my hair, which I've had help with because it is very difficult to do alone if that's not something you already know how to do. Highly recommend getting help for that. But I'm just gonna go ahead and tighten up my rubber band just a little bit. I don't want to pull out my edges, so don't tighten it too hard. So with my closed crochet needle, I'm going to insert it through my hair between the rubber band and my scalp, and you'll notice that on the other side when it comes out, the crochet needle will actually be open, so it's already prepared for you to, put in the hair on there and to close it back up. You'll notice that I kind of struggled a little bit with some of the hair not fully being in there. I kind of got lucky with this one, but I recommend making sure the crochet needle is pointing upward. That way your hair isn't falling out as you're trying to put it in. So at this point, I'm just feeling around just to make sure there are no hairs left behind. And I'm also feeling for which strand is which. Since I also did 2 strands at the same time, you can put them in separately, it'll just add more time. So I wasn't willing to do all that. But once I figured it out, I just pulled both of them through and evened them out. Oh my gosh, I'm like too freaking excited right now. Like, look at me go, okay? Don't say nothing to me, okay? I'm a stylist around here. Okay, just kidding, but let's continue. So next, I'm gonna go ahead and dip a little bit in my gel and apply it to my hair. And then I'm also going to split it into 2 separate parts. And you'll see that I also tightened my hair up a little bit because it was a bit loose after doing the crochet. So as you can see, I slightly struggled with my hand placement, but once I figured it out, it was pretty easy to do. But pretty much all we're doing is we're going to take each strand, and I'm starting with 1 obviously, and I'm going to twist it with the fake hair. And so by doing this, it allows for the hair not unravel, but you're going to do this to each side before actually beginning to twist it all together. Okay, so now that I'm finished twisting my hair in with the fake hair separately, I'm now ready to twist everything together. So the first thing we want to do is make sure we hide the rubber band. So you're going to try to twist on top of, or pretty much as close as possible on your scalp. In this way, you're hiding the rubber band and your twist will also be pretty tight. Also, notice that I'm twisting separately and then I'm also twisting everything together still. So it's the exact same method as we used earlier, just an extra step at the end. And this way the twists stay for a lot longer and they don't unravel quickly. this pretty much wraps up everything I did to do this style. Again, this is so easy, like so beginner friendly. Like, I'm a beginner. This was my first time doing this. So if I can do it, I know that everyone else is capable of doing it. I would just say that the hardest part is the parting. Parts are just not going to be perfect as a beginner unless you have someone else to do them for you, or unless you're just skilled like that. But as far as me, my parts are definitely probably going to be a little crooked, you know, but that's okay. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what y'all think. I forgot to record an outro, so here are some videos of myself and the end result. Let me know if you guys liked it. Hopefully I was clear and this wasn't the blind leading the blind type of scenario. But yeah.